The goal of our project is to conduct a remote camera survey for a variety of wildlife species in Soberanía National Park, which is just outside of Panama City, Panama. The area is semi-tropical forest with very little access by humans, so it provides a good natural laboratory for our research. Our approach is a collaborative effort between local biologists and Southern Illinois University Carbondale, where our goal is to train local parks personnel and biologists on the ground to use of this technology. And they're out collecting the data for us, sending it to us, and we're analyzing the data. But nonetheless, there's a big need for training local folks on how to do this kind of work so they can do it themselves. We're using remote cameras as our primary method of obtaining data for this survey. And a remote camera is simply a device that can be strapped to a tree, and there's an infrared beam that animal crosses, and when the animal crosses that beam, a picture is taken. We record the species, the time, and the date, and that gives us a lot of information. One of our target focal species is the ocelot, and the ocelot is a roughly bobcat-sized cat species there that is one of the top carnivores. We also have a chance of seeing coyotes. Coyotes are invading the area, and we have a lot of those here in the United States as well, but they're just starting to invade central Panama. We also have an outside chance of capturing jaguars on film because jaguar range goes through Panama, and the jaguar is obviously a large predator. Peccaries are kind of a pig-like animal, a small ungulate that lives in the area and is an important food source for some of the larger predators, and we expect to get those on film as well. We intend to use this camera study as the basis for a tropical ecology field course that we will be putting on over spring break. And it's a course that we wish to offer year after year, and this is a course for both graduate students and undergraduates as well. The course involves field studies and laboratory studies of tropical wildlife and forest habitats, and students will travel down to Panama for an 8-day intensive field and laboratory course.